Hello, my name is Valerie. I'm the cooking writer for Reviewed. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic pumpkin pie. And here we have some flour, some butter. I chopped them up. Please make sure that the butter are cold. We want really cold butter. 1 egg yolk. And I would like to add a pinch of salt. I also prepared some ice cold water, but before that, I'm going to use a pastry blender. It's pretty much like a potato masher. You basically press it down. Use a little bit of force. You want to make sure that the flour is well combined with the butter. Okay, gotta do this. It's a short person problem. Add 1 tablespoon water at a time. See, we're getting there. This is gonna combine eventually. I poured a 1/4 cup flour to flour the surface. Now I'm just mixing the dough, put it together and shape it. Put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Look at the pie crust. It's still a little bit hard, so we're gonna let it cool for 20 minutes before use. What you wanna see is when you press it down, it's not hard that it's impossible to press it, but it's also not too soft that just gets squishy. Gently flour the surface, flour your pan. See how smooth that works? Make sure there's a lot of flour. Isn't it so satisfying to roll out pie dough? This is what I do when I place my pie onto the dish. Oh, the pie feels so nice. You wanna pat it really gently. Do like little pinches. Okay, let's do egg wash. Just on the edges. Gonna bake it at 400. We're going to make this pumpkin puree from scratch. Half pumpkin chopped in 2 pieces. Heavy cream and 2 cups of milk. Eggs, there are 3 of them, and some nutmeg, cinnamon, and cardamom. Light brown sugar. Here we have my secret kitchen weapon, which is an immersion blender. Make sure that there's no chunks left, and I'm going to fill the pie. This is gonna bake for another 10 minutes at least, and we're here making a meringue. We have 3 egg whites, half cup of granulated sugar, and some cream of tartar. You know the meringue is ready when you put it over your head and try if it falls.
Do it.
Okay, it's not falling. Be confident. This is what we call the stiff peaks. Here we have this delicious pumpkin pie. Look at it. It's delicious and it smells so amazing. Okay, so we're gonna torch it, getting a little bit of brown on the tips of our meringue topping. Like, I'm really nervous. Ooh, that's so fast! While we baked the pie, we had a little bit of leftover dough, so we used these fantastic fall-themed cookie cutter. You cut out little pumpkins. This is a pumpkin pie with scorched meringue topping. Happy fall, enjoy your pie. I'll see you next time.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, check out more of our great content from USA Today Life.